Here's what you're going to need for this DIY. 2 wooden tree boards, brushes, some fresco texturizing powder, and colors of your choice. First, start by painting the base of your tree with chocolate. This rich, deep brown is the perfect match to a tree trunk. The next step is creating your texture. Grab your fresco texturizing powder and pressed fern and start mixing. An approximate 1 part fresco to 1 part paint should do the trick. Once dry, it's time to frock those branches with a dry brush of lamp white. And add a little metallic shimmer of pearl for that beautiful snowy glisten. And there we have it, this easy DIY holiday decor done in an afternoon.